Hi guys, 97 the Tech Geek here. This is another video off the back of one of the other Euro Truck Simulator 2 videos I've done on how to increase your XP or level. This one is how to go ahead and increase the amount of money you've got in Euro Truck Simulator. Same as before, prerequisites are you've got Euro Truck Simulator 2 and also you've got Cheat Engine. Presumably, depending on when you have or haven't watched the other video, you'll have that installed. But if you don't, pop onto Google, go type in Cheat Engine. The website will be as follows, and I'll put that in the description. Simply click this and go through the installer. Just in case you don't watch every video, I did do a video of this ages and ages ago, essentially back when Euro Truck Simulator was on version 1.3.2 and Cheat Engine was on something like 6.2. Essentially, unless I release another video, the process hasn't actually changed. So just go ahead and download the latest version. Don't bother trying to get older versions of Euro Truck Simulator or Cheat Engine. So once you've got Cheat Engine installed and Euro Truck Simulator open, what you need to do is this flashing button you've got currently. Simply click on that and click on Euro Truck Simulator 2 and open. So what we want to do on Euro Truck Simulator 2 is find out the amount of money we've got. One thing you will need to do if you have gone into the settings of this game and under gameplay changed the currency, so you can do that. Where is it? Here. You can change it to your local currency. What you will need to do for this to work successfully is have it in euros. Once you've done the change, you can go back to your local currency. It's not an issue at all. But to be able to do this, switch to euros. So if we go back into Cheat Engine and in our first scam, we're going to go ahead and put in the amount of money we've got, which is 2,959 euro. Click first scam. So we found 67 results. So what we want to do ideally is go back into Euro Truck Simulator 2. If you've got enough money that you can purchase a vehicle or something, that's probably the best bet to do. However, if you haven't got that much money and you can't do something like that, or you can't employ a member of staff, simply take a job. Let's try and find, there's only one, there we go. Take that job to increase the amount of money we've got, and we'll do another scan, and therefore we can assume or narrow down the results of what memory is currently holding our currency. Oh, bloody hell. So there we go, I've lost some money. So in theory, right now I could just end this mission and go ahead and scan that back in, and we'd see that the money value has dropped, and therefore we should be able to find where in the memory the figure is being stored. So because we don't really care about the amount of XP we're gaining for this, we can simply click skip and show results. So there we go, we'll pay 363 euro. So put back into Cheat Engine, and now we're going to put in our new value. So 3,162 euro, and we'll do our next scan. So we found two addresses, which is perfect. So all we need to do now is go ahead and change these to whatever you want. So let's say we want let's not be greedy, 4,000 euro. Okay, and that literally instantly updates. And with this, you can go ahead and go, actually, no, I want a bit more. So let's give ourselves 10,000 euro, and it will work. So yeah, it's a nice, easy one, that one. Obviously, any questions, comments, please let me know. Otherwise, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel, as it immensely helps me out. Many thanks, and have a great day.